you might be wondering, what are the least painful areas? Because it hurts everywhere, but there are some areas it hurts less. Mostly the least painful areas are the fleshier areas. Areas which has muscle, which has some bone underneath, but mostly there's muscle. There's like a chunk of meat in a good way, not in a bad way. If anything, the more you have, the less pain you feel. I've seen that, and throughout all these years, that's what statistics say. That's what my experience says. When people are skinnier, they feel more pain, because I believe, so I'm not a scientist, but I believe when you're smaller, your nerves naturally will be closer next to each other. So it's not just one nerve getting the pain, it will be like 5 of them. So maybe that's why. Maybe when you increase in size, the gap between the nerves are bigger, so that the chances that I could hit between the nerves and it's not on the nerve are quite bigger. This is not science backed, just my observations. So let's continue. So first one is upper arms, this area or this area basically. Because when you walk down on the street, you will bump into something, and then you bump into that, and you open doors sometimes with your arms, or you close the doors with your arms. So the nerves are like kicked, damaged, broken. So if the nerves are damaged or broken or kind of eliminated, there's less sensitivity, and if you feel less, it means you feel less. The same works for the lower outer arms, which means these is the same activity. You will close something, you will back doors, you will, I don't know, you just bump into things and then you're fine. And again, because you damage all the time the same nerves, the sensitivity is less, so it hurts less. The areas that are bony and very skinny, they do hurt more, which means ribs, knuckles, all the bony, elbow, Adam's apple, even shoulder could hurt more when it's bony up here. So like fleshy is cool, but when it comes to bony areas, they feel like they are, you can feel it. Knees, obviously, toes, I don't know who's between toes, but it's bony. Most of my people coming for the first ones, we don't really recommend these areas at all. We always recommend inner arm, outer arm, upper arm, get used to, have a feeling, and then when you have some data, so some more information about what does it feel like, how does it feel like, do you want more, do you want less, and once you have some data, then you can say, you know what, I could do a day session, I could do 3 hours, I do it to 4 hours, or I want to stick into 2 hours, I want to do just 4 hours, that's me, that's cool, and we respect that because it's painful, like tattoos are tattoos, and they do hurt. So obviously it's easier if a person says to me how long they want to get a tattoo by, then I can plan the whole design. Like today, Rachel, for example, I was telling her, she said she has some back pain, she suffers a lot, she's like, can we have it less? And I said, yeah, cool, I can just do the outline, that's it, just the outline, nothing more, no shading, no color, no anything, just simple outline. We did the outline, she went home, she's happy, I'm happy, nice easy day, cool. It's not about what area it was just pain overall, and because she was worried about how much it could hurt, like it could fuck up our day in a sense, her pain could do damage on the leg more, which means if she suffers, I can't tattoo, and then it drags us both down. And because she's a nice lady, she warned me before, and I could plan ahead what to do. So we would always recommend the first hours or the first day sessions of the first ever to book in a nice area so you can get used to, so you have the feeling, how does it even feel like? Everybody feels pain differently. What could be worse for somebody, it could be really good for somebody else. For example, a few days ago, me and Lucy was tattooing this girl's, literally the back of the back and sides, ribs in a sense, so like ribs on the back. And Lucy was tattooing the upper section, I was tattooing the bottom section. We did it both at the same time. We both were using 15 mags, and we just shaded for like hours, and she was fine, she was cool. Whereas one person on my ribs, I would be crying already, and I would be out, and I would not really, if I've considered ribs, and I've considered 1 or 2 hour booking, and that's it. Like, I have no desire to suffer more than 3 hours for some reason. Like, I have nothing to prove to anyone, I have nothing to show to anyone, I just do not want to suffer longer than 3 hours on that area. Other areas, cool, like I know my limits, I understand it, and I don't have any big ego to like show to anybody like, oh look at me, I can take this, I can take this. I don't really give a shit what people think. And I have no desire to suffer longer than 2 or 3 hours on my rib cage. That's about it. And I'm pretty sure when it hits hour 1, that probably already feels like a century long. So that's me. I'm not gonna be bragging that I can say this and say that. Whereas for her, she kind of likes it, and she said she feels okay. And I was saying, probably, well, I did the whole day session, like 4 hours on one side, 4 hours on the other side. She was fine, and she was walking home happy and smiling. So we all hit different, and it's gonna feel different for every single human being. And then if I would ask her, what's your least painful area, I don't think she would be able to answer, because a lot of areas she feels less pain, like the least amount of pain. Sometimes she says she feels nothing, just like my arms on her body, she feels that. But I don't know how you can feel nothing, but that's what she said. Then in general, anything that's inside will hurt more, because when you are bumping into things like that, just imagine when was the last time you bumped your head, you bumped this somewhere, like hit this against something. It was long time ago, maybe when you were a kid, when you fall down, or like when did you hit this area somewhere, or when did you hit your inner thighs, when did you get hit this rib cage somewhere against doors. Like you wouldn't open doors with your ribs because you would think that it hurts. So these areas you are protected, you protect naturally, which means those areas are least damaged, which means those areas the most painful, because the nerves are fresh. If anything, that's how we're supposed to feel everywhere. So in my head I'm thinking, again, this is not science backed up, but maybe it is, I don't know. But the way we feel on the ribs, we probably should feel everywhere. Like that should be our probably baseline. And then we can judge how much we've been damaging the nerves, the skin. So we actually feel less pain, because we can just open doors with elbows or something and we don't feel any pain. Whereas if I would do that with my rib cage, these nerves are sensitive and I would feel some pain if I would just bang into doors. Whereas if I bang my arm into doors, nothing really feels, but they probably should be the same, I assume. And I think that's how much we have damaged in as life goes, which also means that those areas are nicer to get to, is because they just feel less painful. Then sometimes it's really good when you have a lot of muscle that already protects you, but then that sometimes counterfeits, because when it's muscly, like really muscly, it becomes really hard, like a tough skin, and then that makes you almost feel like more pain because it's tough. It's almost like when it's a softie, the skin kind of bounces, it's cool, but when it gets like hit by a needle and it's hard surface, you can feel that the feeling itself of doing that, which is not really cool. And then weirdly enough, you also have one side which feels less painful. You don't know which side that is until you get stuff done. But when you compare this to this, you will feel difference. When you compare this to this, you will feel difference. And it's because your body is split on half, even your brain is split on half. So brain's this side is responsible over this side, and brain's this side is responsible over this side. So whatever side you have more like developed, that side you will feel less pain, and the one that is underdeveloped, the pain will kind of take over you, and that will naturally going to feel more painful. I do think my stomach, when I had my stomach done, I think my left side was more painful, but then I just happened to have my whole left arm all done, so which makes me believe that my right arm would be easier, nicer, and kind of easier go. I can't promise, we'll see. But if I remember correctly, when I think it was 2019 when I had my stomach done, this side was less painful, that was more painful. I just happened to have left sleeve done in the whole area, so we'll see when we get to my right side. So to conclude is, the least painful areas are the areas you bump into things. The areas you open, you just happen to like hit there and you don't really feel much. Whereas if you would do that with your inner elbow, hit against that, you would feel it, which means that if you just book in for that area, it will hurt more. And then if you book in for areas that you bump into, like thighs, outer thighs and outer legs, you'll be fine. If you book in for inner legs and inner thighs and inner arms, it's gonna hurt way more. So that's that.